So what I want to do is I'm going to start here, and I want to make sure that I'm utilizing the cover or utilizing the car as cover and concealment, right? If I can hide and be where the bad guy doesn't think I'm going to be, I'm going to win the game, right? I'm going to win the fight. So all we're going to do is we're going to be here. You can get down on one knee. Again, try to make sure that you're behind the vehicle, but because this is a basic thing and this is more of just an introduction and overview, if you're a little high, that's okay. I just want you to make sure you clear the vehicle. You're going to come up. I'm going to make sure I've cleared. I'm going to physically look. It looks like my barrel and everything is above. I don't care which target you shoot at. Find your target, fire a couple rounds. You got to squat now. You're going to work them legs. There you go. Yeah, so now she sees she can get down on one knee. There you go. Support hand. Notice he's back behind cover. There we go. Whatever you do, get it in there. Good. Put the gun on safe. Oh, he's gonna come up and get you. From behind it. You got what I'm saying? I'm not trying to come out and then simultaneously bring it up. That's taking too much long or taking too much time. It's about a half a second. I don't have that. So here's the thing. I'm up on my dot. Come out. Come back in. Come out. Come back in. How am I pushing out? What am I using? This leg. Come back in. Come back in.